not an airport. I can't help it. But anyway, I think that. So, yeah, at the computer.
I was never seen flowers in the attic.
Really?
Yeah. Wait, I ate an egg. It's very chewy.
I haven't seen
You
this.
want to it. I got them joined. What's this? It's the bacon, apparently. Let's try it.
You want the rest of this?
She'll be off stage in just a minute.
You guys better not drop that soda.
No, I didn't. I just grabbed him out of the
I
car.
said you guys could get one.
I'll go with you guys to the floor. I'm not gonna go.
We don't even know where we're going.
No, I'm going with the girls when they're
I
going
asked you a
tomorrow.
question. Just wanted me to show you a little bit.
That was good.
Peyton told me you guys are going to the floor.
No, the
That looks
where
good.
we're going.
So mom and Peyton said she was
Why? Talk to him.
If I say
I
they
saw
have,
you.
they didn't ask.
I think your brother's just gonna see it's late. Don't you ever touch my sister again, do you hear me?
Violet's never watched this. Did you watch part one, Nana?
Let's go yell at things.
Hear me, Mom? Tomorrow it might be packed.
I don't know. That pool's not.
Check this out.
You're not saying, listen, that's not candy. You're not playing in that.
Oh, God.
Thank you.
So much. I'll see you next week.
I thought they were them straw
I'll see
things.
you all next week. Okay?
The main part is pizza. I'll see you.
That's been happening since yet.
I would give
I'm sure it's not easy.
a solid 7 out of 10. That was pretty delicious.
I guess I'm
That was kind
I used to work with
of chewy. It was like the chewest one.
besides
I'm only saying that's why after I told her.
Amanda.